Hello friends. Today's safety contact is on fire incident in GBM due to loose power cable connection. Presented by Field Operations HSEF team. One fire incident reported from Jodhpur CMP in Rajasthan state on the 19th of March 2022, where an equipment installed in GBM cabinet was completely burnt. Burnt equipment's details are Inode B, router, SMPS, Cosler batteries, CIPRI amp power cables. We lost our assets worth rupees 13 lakhs. Most probable reason of fire was concluded as loose power connection at Inode B and resulted in short circuit which initiated fire from lower part of GBM. Impact of fire. Disappointed customer. Business loss. Reduction of employee morale. Assets loss. Negative impact on ecosystem. Other possible impacts of fire. Severe injuries. And legal implications. Investigation team also observed following technical process gaps. 4 batteries were installed at site, however only 2 batteries were communicating with SMPS. Technician uploaded few fake photos of other site from phone against some critical operation task. This shows negligent behavior of technician while doing PM. Infra engineer could not identify this negligent act of technician while doing TECO and closed the PM work order without due diligence. From above investigation findings. Poor workmanship from SP technician is clearly evident. At the same time, our engineer also not followed required quality processes while doing site operations and maintenance. As such, poor workmanship by SP team and our CMP team resulted into this fire incident. In financial year 21-22, 35% fire occurred due to poor, loose power cable termination. Action initiated based on RCA. Corrective preventive action initiated by state team to prevent fire incident. Carry out a joint audit of all sites to identify maintenance gaps. Rectify all issues related to communication failure between battery modules with SMPS. Update correct utility assets instantiation in any. Replace 16 square mm cable with 25 square mm cable in all old GBM sites. Following consequence actions initiated by state team to curtail poor workmanship. SP technician terminated. Warning letter issued to SP CMP lead and supervisor. Penalty of rupees 5 lakhs to be imposed on SP M&M. Warning letter issued to infra lead and infra engineer for not ensuring good quality PM. What we should do? Strengthen PM quality. All technicians should be trained on PM quality improvement and fire prevention techniques. SP management should provide adequate insulated tools for PM activity. During PM, the technician should check 6 points on a proper cable connection and tightening. Photographic evidence should be captured correctly. Infra engineer should do a review of the photograph taken before TECO to validate the correctness of the audit. Network integration and visibility. Utility SMEs along with infra lead should ensure SMPS, battery, and other network entities are visible in Zabbix. Infra engineers should monitor their sites on 100% battery modules communicating with SMPS. The state team should ensure correct battery data updation in any. SP head should ensure all network equipment are physically connected as per site design. Project Shine. Competency check of SP resources. All SP resources should be properly assessed on technical competence, quality and safety awareness as part of Project Shine. Non-competent persons should be replaced with the competent person in case of any gaps observed. We should demand from the SP head for timely and immediate replacement of unfit persons. Let's create safety awareness, build safety culture, and keep our assets safe. Friends, we will end up the presentation now by saying that, don't let an old flame burn you twice. Thank you.